Start. But the plaintiffs relied upon the register where the correction appears to have been given effect to stop. The question therefore arises as to whether the entry in the settlement papers recording somebody's name could create or extinguish title in favor of the person concerned. It is to be seen that the disputed land originally stood recorded in the name of Raja Sahib of Kionthal, and thereafter the state was recorded to be the owner of the land in the record of right prepared in the year 1949/50. Stop. In the absence of the very order of the assistant settlement officer directing necessary correction to be made in favor of the plaintiffs, it is not possible to visualize on what basis the aforesaid direction had been made. Stop. But at any rate, such an entry in the revenue papers by no stretch of imagination can form the basis for declaration of title in favor of the plaintiffs. Stop. To our query as to whether there is any other document on the basis of which the plaintiffs can claim title over the disputed land, the learned counsel for the plaintiffs' respondents could not point out any other document apart from the alleged correction made in the register pursuant to the order of the assistant settlement officer. Stop. In our consideration opinion, the courts below committed serious error of law in declaring plaintiffs' title on the basis of the aforesaid order of correction and the consequential entry in the revenue papers. Stop. In the circumstances, the appeal is allowed and the judgment and decree passed in all the three forums are set aside. Stop. The plaintiffs' suit stand dismissed. Stop. There will be no order as to costs. Para. From the above, it is clear that the entries in revenue records can never form the basis of declaration of title with regard to immovable property. Stop. The learned counsel also referred to another judgment of our court, Abba Sahib Bali Gharge, and another versus Bataji Ramhari Gharge. Stop. In this case, the same issue has been considered by our court and has taken a similar view that the mutation entries or the entries in the record of rights are made only for the fiscal purpose of recovering revenues. Stop. The said entries cannot amount to transfer of the title of the holder of the property in favor of the person in whose name the entries are made. Stop. The para number 8 of the said authority reads as under semicolon.